If you are searching how to buy shares of Lendlease Group, this video shows the basic steps. Lendlease Group is a global property and infrastructure developer listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker LLC.ASX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LLC.ASX to find the listing. Select the Lendlease Group result that matches the company name and ticker. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Ensure the name reads Lendlease Group and the ticker shows LLC.ASX before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the platform may schedule the order or show market status, and if you do not have enough funds, you will be prompted to add money before the purchase can complete. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft note, the example broker link is in the video description for reference.